Hi, if you are somebody who is trying to meditate but not able to do so, this is a quick checklist. Number one, try to do your meditation preferably in the morning because that's where you are least influenced by the world. Number two, do not identify with the thoughts that are coming in your mind. Try ignoring those thoughts because they will disturb your meditation. Number three, try to sit in an undisturbed place. Now, if you can't find a place like this, just lock yourself inside the room and switch off your phone, turn off the notifications, and then try to meditate. Number four, sit in a cross-leg posture, keep your spine erect, close your eyes because you do not want too many worldly outputs to enter you, right? So you need to close your eyes. And number five, you need to be aware of your breath. Just focus on your breath, and you will see if you do these 4 or 5 steps, you will start to become meditative over a period of time. Thank you. Good day.